So let's say what you want to do is go ahead and play an audio file in VLC. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can go around onto the media menu and then go to open file. And over here, you can see that you can navigate to the folder where you have your music. Simply go ahead and choose it out and then click on open. Then you can pause it. You can go ahead and play it just like this. And this is what you have. So now, apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and keep this particular file right here. I can open up the folder on the side, and then whatever music files you may have right here, you can simply go ahead and click and drag it out right here, just like this, to go ahead and bring that particular music to the playlist, and then go ahead and access and play it out as well. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and right click, and if you're you can also open it if your VLC Media Player is set as default, but if it is not, then you can open with VLC Media Player right here. And that is what you have. And that is how you can play out audio files inside of VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.